Alright guys, I'm sorry, I did drop a couple F-bombs. Damn it. If you're looking for a cell phone gimbal, consider the DJI OM4. I love this thing. This gimbal was released August 2020. I bought mine less than a month ago as of the date of this video. And at the end of the video, you'll see how excited I was to see this device following me. I just opened it up out of the box, tested it, and I was like, oh my God, this thing is following me. Right out of the box, it's easy to set up. The cell phone, one thing that I like about it is that the part that holds the cell phone is magnetic, so you can release this, you can take the cell phone off the device and still have the magnetic holder attached, so all you have to do is just reattach it and you're up and moving. I've had my gimbal for less than a month, and boy has this been a very useful tool. I have a DIY site and I'm actually using it in order to film some things that I'm doing around the house, and I can't hold the camera and film at the same time. This is super duper convenient. It actually moves by itself. It does everything. There's a lot of features that I need to get used to, but that's understandable. I just bought this thing and I'm having fun with it. It's user friendly. It's easy to use. Didn't I just say that? But anyway, it's easy to use. And when I took it out the box, in this last video that I'm showing, I mean, this thing was following me around. I'm running around the yard. It's tracking me. It does everything I need. So my review is positive. Some cool features is this thing is wireless. It has Bluetooth. The battery lasts for 15 hours of runtime. The recharge, it's only 2.5 hours to recharge the entire device. This device comes with a obviously the charging cord, but it's going to be a USB-C. The actual device there is shown above. It has a really cool magnetic phone holder and also a magnetic, looks like a pop socket where you can actually hold your phone up. It doubles as a cell phone stand. It does have a string that you can loop, and actually it's a holder as well. The bag is pretty small. I was hoping to be able to carry the user manual with it, and I do stuff it in the bag, but it's not meant to carry it with that. I just did it because I just bought the device and I was like, hey, I might have some questions, so I carried the user manual with me. Hey, take a look at this photo. It's an example of another cool feature the DJI has, and it just walks you through exactly how to do it. If you're benefiting from this content, please like and subscribe. Now let me show you how this camera really follows you.
Now watch. Now fucking like so see here like where I'm going and shit. It's fucking yep.
That shit.
Yep, so now and it's recording the video. I got a microphone, all that shit, bro. Dude, this
That shit cold.
But if I must say, I haven't even had to use the user's manual like I thought I would.
That shit is so cold.
I mean, and you can even make it do like it even does like zoom ins and shit, bro. Yep, so look, all up like I'm close on it. And it's like all in my face, like yeah. So you can jump in the camera like, hey, blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
And then it'll just follow you and shit. And then when you get done, you just hit it again. Yeah, I'm fucking with it.